Meta because I have a volunteer service doon ng ushering. Okay, yeah. Sasakay tayo ng train. Going to Borjoman and then change ng line to color green tapos Meta na. Vlogger yarn. Okay. Saan pa ba tayo? Okay. So naisip ko lang kahapon or nung isang araw. Since gusto ko yung mga ganitong activity for the reason naisip ko lang kasi naghahanap ako ng bagong trabaho. Naisip ko lang, what if flight attendant ako sa Emirates since they are still accepting applicants. Yun lang, punta lang sa trend. So, here waiting for a train. Vlogger is yarn. So, may train na. Sana hindi masikip and I can sit. Parang wala. Ayun, meron.
المحطة الأخيرة لهذا القطار.
Going to transfer line. So by the way, wala lang. So dahil masikip sa elevator, mag-escalator na lang. So we're here at Borjoman Station. So it's an intersection station na may other color. So anong oras? So we only have 14 minutes actually. So malilate pa na ako. Kasi ang call time namin is 3 PM. Doon na sa venue for volunteers. So we're going to Creek and ito na yun. Creek. Tapos after that, one station away. With Meta. Okay. So, I can... So, konting information. So, from my location, so it's one zone away. So, dito kasi may changes sa fee kapag nag-change ka ng zone. So from my area, zone I think 5 ata. Tapos yung ngayon pupunta natin is zone 3. So dahil may change of zone, 5 dirhams yung pamasahe instead of 3. Kasi kapag same zone, kahit pag gano'n kadaming station yan, 3 dirhams pa rin yung mababawas sa null card. Vlog talaga to. Yun. that's that one. That. Okay. Alright, I think this is the one. There you go. Asa labas talaga? Okay, stop. Oo. Say hello to my vlog. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, I register mo